everybody, welcome back. We are going to do a look today with this palette from Emily Noel. This is the Emily Edit Once palette. She also has another palette called the Needs palette, but I did not pick that one up. I only picked this one up because it's very exciting to me. The other one, I felt like I had stuff very similar to it, and I am trying to be good. And actually, I didn't even pay for this. I got it as to use my points. So it doesn't count that I spent money. It's a really large palette. Whoops. And that's what the inside looks like. Oh, it's exciting. Exciting. She's a very, if you're not watching Emily's videos, she's very down to earth and kind and talented, just wonderful, wonderful YouTuber. So we're going to put our eyeshadow on first. You have to excuse me, I've been filming all day and I haven't been putting foundation on, but I think for Emily we're putting some foundation on. I don't even know where to begin. There's so many beautiful colors in here. So many. I should begin with getting some more water and not being worried about this palette. But, okay. My mirror is shaky. I have a feeling the mirror is going to fall out of this thing. But we'll see. If that's the worst thing that happens today, we will be doing good. Alright, I already cleaned up my brushes some. I am going to put some primer on. Put on some of this Makeup Forever primer. I might have to get a big tube of this because I am liking it. Oh, man. It's very soothing on my eyes. It doesn't feel greasy or anything. Well, I was watching Emily this morning and she was talking about the Milani primer. I've never used that. I do have to pick that up and try it out. Alright. So I think I'm going to... I don't know what I'm going to do. I have an idea what I'm going to do. I have no idea what I'm going to do. Alright, I think first things first, I'm going to go into, please excuse the mirror, it's large. I'm going to go into this shade right here. It's called Prayer. We're going to put that up into our crease. And blend it up as a transition. Very pigmented, very, very pigmented shadows. This is a collab she did with Revolution Beauty. So excited for her. I don't know what I have on my eyes, but that is really, really, really pretty. It's making me rethink. But I won't. So I think I'm going to go in with this shade down here. It's called Cheer. Let's see how that does on just our outer V. Blending it in a little bit. outer V, blending it up, blending it in, outer V, blending it up, blending it in. My blending skills leave a little bit to be desired. Alright, so then I think I'm going to go into the shimmer shade here. Ooh, good vibes. I'm going to put that on our lid, and I think I'm just going to go in with my fingers. Do you ever feel like no matter what you pick up, you do the same thing? I feel like I've done this like 3 times today. I haven't though. I haven't, I promise you. We might use another little color on our outer V just for some depth. Thinking about going into, I don't even know what the Pi-Fi, I think is what it says. I don't know. It's this plummy color right here. Laugh at me as you wish. Alright, let's see what happens when we put some of this on the outer edge. Just darken that up a little bit. I think that's better. Not drastic difference, but just a little bit deeper. And then maybe go into this cupcake here and put that on the inner part. All right. All right. I'm gonna take that deep burgundy and I'm just gonna run that across the bottom of my eye. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see if I can step up my game on my face. So I put on some Revolution Beauty primer. This is the Blur primer. This reminds me of the YSL primer with the gold in it. Except I think it smells better. Alright, and then we're gonna go in with another one of our I think I'm gonna try, it's too late, I'm not doing that today. We'll do our Maybelline 24-hour. Let's see what we got going on. What are you doing with yourself? Alright, so I'm just going to use this Real Techniques to kind of spread this around to my face, share it, because I did only put it on my cheeks. And I got quite a bit going on. Quite a bit. Alright. That needs to have some powder on it. We'll go into our La Mer. I'm not going to put any concealer on today because I don't feel like I need it. Probably because I've been getting some rest. Oh no, La Mer. Don't take over the eyes. Alright, then we're going to go into this. I don't think it's going to be enough. It's not going to be dark enough. So we're going to use our Charlotte Tilbury, but I think I'm going to have to go in with my Smashbox powder. I really am enjoying this. I don't always enjoy Smashbox stuff, but this I am enjoying. This and my Velada stuff I am enjoying. It is works well on my skin. Alright, let's get a little blush on here. And then we have a little bit of a highlighter. I'm going to try it out. See how it does. I'm just going to put some my mascara on. This is my MAC mascara, and I think we're done. I am really liking this look. So I need to work with this palette some more, but so far so good. I don't feel like I didn't get out of it, you know, that I feel like the eye shadows performed exactly as I would think they would based on the color in the pan. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. We're going to put a little lipstick on. We're just going to put some Spite from MAC on our lips. And that's our look. Really, really like this. This palette retails for $20. I think it let me use my coupon with it, which means I would have gotten $4 off because I had a 20% off coupon. So anyways, guys, go out and pick this up. It's very inexpensive and it looks absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, what do you think? What do you guys think? Emily did a great job on this collab. Thank you guys for watching. Love you so much. Mwah.